Hello guys, welcome to Engineers Our World. Reels are not for only entertainment. Reels are for also education purpose. To prove this, now we are discussing about SolidWorks software. In previous class, if you follow them, you have known already how to create extrude cut and revolve revolve option also. In revolve option, we discussed about on center line. Like if the sketcher is on center line, how it will work. Now in this class, we discuss it if it is having some distance. That means, see, make sure create one center line like this, same as it is in previous class. In previous class, the rectangular box has given on the exact center line. Now I am giving some distance. Okay, so give it a distance. This. So this distance could be anything as per your wish, and same I'm following same dimensions as I mentioned in the previous video. Okay, now exit and features, select this revolve and see, now you have got same object but with the hole. That means in previous condition you have got solid object. Okay, just keep it in your mind. Okay, if the sketcher is acting on the center line, okay, then the object comes as a solid object. Okay, if you mention any kind of distance from the center line to the sketcher, then it will automatically create the empty space as a whole. So to get more accurate and more clear, I'm giving some complicated sketch like this. That means it should be like this. Like that means the arrow mark, whatever the arrow mark I've given this, okay, the empty space should be like this. So I'll show you it in a 3D video. Look. So if you look at this, so if you are not able to recognize, I'll make sure cut it into the off part. I hope you have got my point, right? Okay, that means you have got arc into the window like this. See, you have got like this cone shape like this. Okay, just again edit the sketch, and if you don't want to make like this, just keep it like this and remove this too. Okay, and this is how from the distance. And in this video we discussed about revolve option, sketcher with distance. That means from center axis to some particular distance. In next video we are going to discussing about inclination. What if I have inclination angle or horizontal angle? I'll show it in another video. Okay, so if you like this, please share your opinions. Thanks for your support, and also do mention anything you want to know from this software. I'll make sure more clear about that. And even if you have any doubts in this video also, you can mention in the comment section. I'll reply there. Otherwise I'll come with another video with your doubts. Okay, thank you, bye.